Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a creative day. In this video, I will talk about the AI website builder inside Wix Studio. So, without further delay, let's get started. Wix Studio now has an AI website builder, and to access it, you have to go here and click on Studio Sitemap and Wireframes. Click on it, and it will take you to the new window where you can add your prompt to create your own website using the AI. On top here, you have the business type. So write in what type of business you own. So let's say you have a clothing store. After that, you have to describe your business. The more you write, the better. Right now, I have just written one line, but the more you write here, the better. After that, you have to write what type of goal you have with your website. So for this website, I want to sell some products. If you want to get booking, like you are selling some service, choose this one. If you want to write blog, choose this one. If you want to sell events, you can use this. And if you want to create a portfolio, choose this one. After that, write the name of your business. And right here, you have to write the address of your business. In this option, you have to write the target audience. In this option, you have to write the unique properties of your business. So, for example, you can write the type of clothes you sell. And right here, you can write the goal of your website. So, my goal is, of course, to sell more clothes. And finally, you have to choose the tone of your content. So, for this one, I'm going to go with the informative to get edge on the SEO side. After you are done with this, click on continue. And right here you have two options. The first one is to generate just the visual sitemap, and the second one is to generate the wireframe as well as the sitemap. So I'm going to choose this one to create the website and click on start generating. Now Wix Studio will open the editor. Now Wix Studio will analyze your prompt first. Then it will map the website structure for this prompt and the website type. After that, it will install the apps needed for your business, like the Wix store and blog and booking plugins and everything. And finally, it will create the pages and sections and then design all the required pages. So right now it is designing the wireframe and the layout of your website. So as you can see in the background, we are seeing all the pages that are needed for this website. Now it is writing the AI generated content, and finally your website is ready. And right here you have your website. So as you can see, the design of this website is really good. And as you can see, it has all the required pages, including the policies. So that's a big plus for us. But this right now is just a wireframe. So we have to make sure that we add all our images and the content and the website style. So first off, you have to go here and generate your website style. So what you can do is you can set the colors here. Now, the first color is for the background. So let's say you want to create a dark themed website. You can go like this. The fifth color is the accent, the main accent of your website. So you can set the color like this. Another important color is this one, the sixth, which is the secondary accent. And this color right here is for the secondary item background. So if you add, let's say, a repeater, the second color will be set as the background. So in this way, you can create the website style first. After that, you have to set the typography. So here you can set all your fonts and the font color. So for example, you can set your font here. You can also upload your own fonts if you want. Right here, you can set the minimum and maximum size for different breakpoints and also set the style of your fonts. So for example, for the paragraph, I need a black color. The same goes for other paragraphs as well. Okay, so in this way, you can set the website style. Now, the second thing you need to do is replace all the images here. Do the essential design changes right here. And finally, add your own products here. Okay, so you can create your own products and all of them will be shown right here. Now, you can design and change your website however you like, but this is a really good starting point for your website. This is actually one of the best AI website builder I have seen. For example, right here, you can add your form like this, and it is done. Right. So this is a great way to start your website, add your policy pages, and the best part about this website is that it is responsive and the performance is really good. Now you can add your animations, your design preferences, your style, and many more things. But yeah, this is how you can create a website in Wix Studio using AI. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.